In the past, most people were of noble character and rarely cheated others. As soon as they did something wrong, they immediately felt ashamed and instantly repented. Most of them took great care to guard their reputation and were willing to sacrifice their precious lives to honor their vows. Yet nowadays, many people use all sorts of cooked means to achieve their personal goals. The ancients usually harbored gratitude to those who had given them help and always remembered them steadfastly. Today, however, not only are people unable to behave in this way, but they even return kindness with animosity. People like being flattered and cannot tolerate any harsh criticism. As a result, their awareness of themselves and their surroundings becomes further distanced from reality.